A gorgeous day to begin the weekend, but a chance of rain still ahead. We check in with Elizabeth McGiffin for a first look at your weather.
It was indeed quite lovely outside. If you had a chance to be out there, it was a little on the chilly side, but not too bad. Taking a look now outdoors, we can see that clear sky is continuing to stick around. Now here's a look at that satellite and radar. You can see a few wispy clouds working their way toward northwest Missouri, but for the most part, we are going to be continuing to see that clear sky. Now, looking into tomorrow, chilly weather pushing off to the north and east, but an area of low pressure is going to start working its way down into our neck of the woods, which could bring along with it a chance for some showers. I'll have more on this, though, coming up. Now, Sophia, back to you at the news desk.
So it's election week. Do we have weather for those long pole lines?
You know, we're going to gradually see that temperature warm up, and we actually have a chance for rain popping up in the forecast.
Okay. Not on Tuesday, hopefully.
I'll have more on this, though, coming up, though. First, though, here's a look at your almanac. Welcome back. Today we warmed up right around average at 58 degrees. Woke up, though, a bit on the chilly side, just below freezing at 31. Now out there we are still seeing plenty of clear sky, which is helping that temperature drastically drop down already into mid-30s. 36 degrees will do it for that current temperature. Humidity still supporting a few clouds out there, though, 67%. And winds are chilly out of the north, but staying light at only 3 miles per hour. Temperatures throughout the area, we're seeing a few warmer temperatures off to the west where they have a few more clouds out there. And down farther south, even more clouds. Look at that, Tulsa sitting at 57 degrees. Right now, that satellite and radar shows that there are two main areas of showers, a few sprinkles up to the north in Iowa, but the main story is these showers down to our south. For us, though, our main story, according to that satellite and radar, are those clouds, just a few wispy clouds working their way on into the area. Now, those showers that we saw down to the south are due to this cold front. It's just far enough down there, though, that as it creeps its way off to the east, we'll see a few clouds kick up from that, but continue to see, for the most part, plenty of clear sky. That is until we work our way into Monday, when this area of low pressure sinks down into northwest Missouri. It's going to change up our winds, rotating in a counterclockwise motion, pumping in some cooler northerly breezes and even bringing along with it a chance for some showers as that cold front continues to pass through the area. On into tomorrow, here's a look at that low pressure system sinking on out of the Dakotas. More mild air following behind it, though. So after we get through with some of those showers, we're going to gradually see temperatures start to warm up throughout the early parts of next week. There is some hope in sight. Here's that area of low pressure, and then off toward the Pacific Northwest, we have some high pressure, which will bring along some sunshine and some warmer temperatures as we work our way throughout your work week. Now here's a look at your forecast. Overnight, 29 degrees is going to do it for that low temperature, thanks to that plenty of clear sky out there. Winds, though, staying light, so while we are getting that cool northerly breeze, very light winds. Tomorrow, though, warming up very similar to today, 60 degrees, mostly sunny skies, and winds out of the south-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. On into the start of your work week, though, what everyone's looking forward to is a chance for a few showers. We are not expecting to pick up more than about 1/10 of an inch from this, but after this past summer, every little bit counts. From there, high pressure will start to gradually work its way back on into the picture, helping to warm those temperatures back up to, look at this, guys, by Thursday, we're looking at close to 70 degrees. So we're going to see a big fluctuation, so a bit of a roller coaster in store. 50s for the start of your work week, a few showers, and then sunshine works its way back into the picture and much above average temperatures along with that.
Looks like an encouraging day for voters on Tuesday. So that's all.
It does. A great day to go out to the polls.
Yeah, even if it rains or does something crazy, you go out to the polls regardless. Yeah.
Hey, thanks a lot, Elizabeth. A northwest what?
That
I was going to say, I was like,
effective.
surely they get some sort of foul for
It looks like fun though. I would not be opposed.
It happens in Arkansas.
But our clocks are going back, not forward, back. It's fall, back, spring, forward, and that affects us.
Exactly. Well, in terms of temperatures, it's not going to be winding the clock back too much, but we do have a chilly night in store. 29 degrees is going to do it for that overnight low. 60 degrees tomorrow over a mostly sunny sky. Your extended forecast, though, we have a roller coaster in store, starting off with a chance of showers and 50s for your highs, lows sticking around in the 30s, and then by the end of your work week, flirting with that 70-degree mark. Once again, remember, you're going to fall back, so wind that clock back an hour. Matt pointed out that's one more hour you add into the day.
Is that good or bad? I never know how to
You just
feel
sleep in a
about
little bit,
that.
right?
Yeah.
Personally, my favorite day of the year. I prefer that over losing an hour of sleep.
Okay, and also don't forget, again, to change the battery in your smoke alarm. Really, your smoke detector, really important. And have a great Saturday, everyone. Step.